Hi, Ron from Clarity. This video will cover 3 prerequisites you need to be aware of if you're planning on integrating or remotely accessing data from your EMR or EHR. The first item is the data being displayed. You need to document all of the fields that are needed, as different information may be accessible through different API endpoints, which takes additional development time and effort. Create data mappings and workflows for patient records, clearly laying out what exact data is needed to either be pushed or pulled to or from your EMR. Ensure seamless data transferring by clearly defining how fields in the EMR map to fields in your website or portal's database. This avoids data mismatches and simplifies troubleshooting. Remember that all data does not need to be pulled and stored in your portal, which can require either a fully HIPAA site with encryption or tokenization. Data can be pulled in real time as the record is accessed in the portal, similar to me looking up my account balance on my Chase app, which goes up to the secure vault and pulls my account balance down in real time. There can be some performance hit depending on the amount of data being accessed and pulled via the integration, which may need to be taken into consideration. Number 2. As just mentioned, any data that falls under PHI classification or protected health information must follow the HIPAA guidelines. This means that we need to ensure data tokenization for transferring PHI fields from the EMR into a portal or app that isn't fully HIPAA compliant using a tokenization service like the Clarity HIPAA Vault. Replace sensitive PHI fields with secure tokens during transfers to minimize exposure risk. Use tested tokenization systems that integrate seamlessly with your existing workflows, or you can have a fully HIPAA platform used for your medical portal so that all data, both collected in the portal for things like patient intake or consent forms, or data pulled from your EMR to the portal, remain HIPAA compliant and secure. Lastly, establish an audit trail for each integration event that logs all data exchanges and system access points for complete transparency. Use secure, tamper-proof storage for these logs to meet compliance requirements and enable swift investigations when needed. Depending on the level of HIPAA compliance, whether or not the portal data can be edited, you may have to have field-level user edit logs stored and encrypted as well. This is to record when providers list specific drugs and diagnosis, and then if there were complications with the patient, those records could be subpoenaed to see exactly what the doctor prescribed or diagnosed to the patient. So to summarize, number 1, document all fields that need to be mapped and accessed for your integration. Number 2, tokenize all PHI data being accessed or have your portal fully built HIPAA compliant. 3, set up a proper audit trail with encrypted logs and user level tracking depending on the site's functionality. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.